Your gut health affects everything from your digestion to your daily energy and even your mood. The good news is that improving it does not have to be complicated. Today we will look at 5 simple but powerful smoothies. They can cleanse your gut, they calm inflammation, and they give you steady energy all day long. First is the Avocado Energy Cleanse. Avocados are full of healthy fats. They are also rich in fiber. They help stabilize blood sugar. They keep you full for longer. They support smooth digestion. To make this smoothie, blend 1 ripe avocado with almond milk. Add a handful of spinach. Add 1 spoon of chia seeds. The result is creamy and filling. It fuels your body with steady energy. Second is the berry antioxidant boost. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are the base. They are loaded with antioxidants. They protect your gut lining. They fight free radicals. Mix the berries with coconut water. Add 1 spoon of Greek yogurt. The result is refreshing. It strengthens your immune system. It also supports gut balance. Third is the Pineapple Ginger Detox. Pineapple provides bromelain. Bromelain is a natural enzyme that supports digestion. Ginger adds gentle heat. It reduces bloating. It helps cleanse toxins. Blend pineapple chunks with fresh ginger and lemon juice. Add water to taste. The flavor is tangy and refreshing. It is a perfect detox drink. Fourth is the Green Gut Cleanse. This is the ultimate gut reset. It is made with celery, cucumber, spinach, and apple. This blend is high in fiber. It is full of vitamins and hydration. It helps flush out waste. It supports your gut microbiome. Add a squeeze of lime for freshness. This smoothie is light and cleansing. Finally, we have the Turmeric Golden Glow. Turmeric reduces inflammation. It supports gut healing. It restores balance. Use almond milk and a ripe banana. Add turmeric powder. Add a small pinch of black pepper. Pepper helps your body absorb turmeric better. Blend until smooth and golden. The result is creamy and soothing. It nourishes you from within. These 5 smoothies are simple and delicious. They are designed to support your gut health naturally. Start your mornings with any one of them. You will feel the difference in your energy. You will notice lighter digestion. You will enjoy a calmer mood. Which smoothie will you try first? Tell us in the comments. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.